Good morning students. In today's lecture we are going to start structure of seed. So all of you have seen the seeds up to now. Different shapes of seed you might have observed, different kinds of seed you have seen. You might have seen the seed of mango, the seed of even watermelon, and different beans also you have seen, right? So in this lecture we are going to study the structure of seed. So the most important part of the seed is the seed covering, the outermost covering of the seed, that is called as seed coat. This seed coat, it is the outermost covering of the seed. It is protective in nature. This seed coat, it protects the seed having the baby plant. Yes, inside the seed small plant is there, that is the baby plant, which will become bigger in size to convert into a plant, right. So that is called as baby plant, which is inside the seed. That plant is baby plant is protected from the harsh condition by the seed coat. अगर सीड कोट नहीं होता तो ये बेबी प्लांट जो है हार्श कंडीशंस है, जैसे कि बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट है, बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड है, या फिर किसी भी एनिमल की वजह से, किसी भी इंसेक्ट की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉय हो सकता है, राइट. बट दिस सीड कोट इज़ प्रोटेक्टिंग इट. The seed coat also has tiny hole through which seed gets water. So there also seed coat is important since it is having a hole through which seed gets water. Next is the cotyledon. Cotyledon is actually the seed leaves. Some seeds they are having only one leaf, while some are having two leaves, so that is called as cotyledon, right. The seed which are having generally two cotyledons, they are very thick. Why they are thick, you know? Because that thickness is due to the storage of food. जो भी सीड्स में दो कॉटिलिडन होते तो वो जो पर्टिकुलर फूड होता है वो दो कॉटिलिडन में स्टोर होता है. इसकी वजह से कॉटिलिडन जो है वो फ्लैशी लगता है और थिक लगता है. While the seed which is having only one cotyledon, the food is not stored inside it. It is stored inside the another part of the plant. Now the next is germination. So what is this germination process? The process by which the seeds grow into a young plant is called as germination. The whole process of seed growth, conversion of a seed into a small baby plant, and then the small baby plant growing into a young plant, this whole process is called as germination. A seed germinates into a young plant. But for this germination, some factors are required. Now, what is the requirement of the seed? First, light. If the seed gets light, then only it will germinate. Otherwise, it will not germinate. Second thing is air. Light is required, at the same time air is also there. Third thing is water, and the fourth is warmth. Even if any one thing is not present, for example, light, air and warmth is there but water is not present, seed will not germinate. Suppose air, water and warmth is there but light is not there, then also seed will not germinate. So all this thing is required in enough proportion. Seed requires enough light, air, water and warmth to germinate. During the early stages of germination, the seed uses food stored inside it for the growth. Afterwards it gets it, right. So early stages it will anyhow manage by the food which is stored inside, right. When the seed will start receiving the adequate amount of light, water, air and warmth, it will become soft and spongy. Then after becoming spongy, the outer covering, that is the seed coat, will break. It will break to give out a baby plant. Then the root will develop and then a shoot will develop. After development of root and shoot, tiny leaves will start coming out of the shoot and this tiny leaf will start making food. This young plant is called as seedling. So firstly root, after that shoot. After shoot, the leaves will come out of the shoot and they will start preparing the food, and the plant will become young then afterwards, right? The seedling, that is the young plant, small baby plant, it will absorb water also and nutrient also from the soil with the help of its root, and then it will grow into bigger size, resulting in the development of more and more leaves. These seeds, they will shrink and then they will disappear when the plant will grow enough. Then the seed is not required. So firstly it will start shrinking. Shrinking मतलब छोटा होना start होगा, एकदम से छोटा होने के बाद disappear होगा, right? So this is how a seedling grows into a new plant. All the seeds, they are not growing into new plant because some of them, they are not getting enough amount of water, either enough amount of air. Some of them, they are eaten by the animals, some are destroyed by the rain, some are flown away by the wind, right? So due to these conditions, there are some seeds which are converting into the baby plant and then into a new plant, while there are some which are not getting enough amount of the things required, they will not be converted, right?